guys, welcome back to Cookworks. Now we will be making papaya in coconut milk. Okay? For this time, we will be using pork. There. You have to boil the pork for 5 to 10 minutes. And then just add 1/3 cup of water. Okay. You know what, guys? I just added little amount of water in this dish. Okay, let's now sprinkle some salt and pepper. Let's now scrape the seeds, guys. Okay. Before peeling and slicing this papaya. Just slice this, guys, thinly, okay? Meanwhile, we will now add our ginger. Wow, it smells good. Now we will add our papaya. Oh, so yummy. This is lots of nutrients. Okay. There, I just added some carrots. See, guys, I just added some of the carrots we have in our pantry. Okay. Okay, guys, let's add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Sprinkle some pepper again. Now we will add our coconut milk. Then we will add oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There. Okay, guys, we will add sprinkle of salt. Okay, guys, let's add salt. There you go. This is already thickened. Wow. There, we may add little amount of water again. This 1/3 cup. Okay. There you go, guys. Our papaya and coconut milk is already cooked and now ready to serve. Now here's our papaya in coconut milk. See? Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time. Don't forget to please subscribe on my channel, Cookworks. Thank you for the support, guys.